Okay, let's start here then. Yes, we have today's topic, the present simple, linkers, and because, the days of the week, time phrases, and telling the time. Yes, welcome back here. So we are gonna start with the first topic, that is the present simple. When do we use the present simple? Yes, we use the present simple to talk about repeated or regular actions in the present time period. Yes, for example, I take the train to the office. Yes, we can also use the present simple to talk about facts. Yes, a dog has 4 legs. That is a fact. And we can also use it for habits. Yes, I get up early every day. For things that are always or generally true. Yes, it rains a lot in winter. Yes, so these are the things that we can use when we can use the present simple. Yes. Now, how can we form the present simple? Remember that we have the verb to be, yes, in the present simple too, because this is to talk about present situations. Yes, situations that are in the present. And we can also have other verbs. Yes, remember the verb phrases? We have eat in this example, like, live, drive, work, okay? Many verbs. Those are just some examples of the verbs, yes? So, as we can see here, yes, let's remember that the verb to be works in this way, yes? For the positive sentences, the subject, the verb to be, and the complement, yes? I am a teacher, you are a student, he, she, it is happy, we are friends, they are brothers, yes? Now, when we want to put sentences in the negative form, we need to add the word not, yes? I am not a teacher, you are not a student, he, she, it is not happy. We are not friends. They are not brothers, okay? We need to add the word not to put them in the negative form. And when we want to make questions, remember that we need to change the order, yes? We start with the verb to be and then the subject. Am I a teacher? And we can answer yes or no in this kind of questions, yes? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he, she, or it happy? Yes, he is. Or no, he isn't, or she isn't. Yes, it will depend on the subject. Are we friends? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, are they brothers? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Yes? Now, let's move to the other verbs. Yes, what happened to the other verbs? In in positive statements, the other verbs, okay, we need to change only for the people, okay, only for the pronouns he, she, and it, we need to add an S to the verb, like in this example, yes? He, she, it eats pizza. Yes, the other subjects remain the verb in its base form without the S. Yes, I eat pizza, you eat pizza, we eat pizza, they eat pizza. Yes, so only for the subjects he, she, and it, we need to add an S to the verb. Yes, now, what happened when we want to make a negative statement here? Yes? We have the subject, an auxiliary verb, yes? In the present simple with the other verbs, we have an auxiliary verb that helps us, yes? In this case, when we are talking about negative sentences, we use don't or doesn't. Okay, who are the people, who are the subjects that use don't, I, you, we, and they. Yes, the plural ones. Who are the people who use doesn't? Uses doesn't? He, she, and it. Yes? Then we need the verb and the rest of the sentence. Yes? You don't eat pizza. You don't eat pizza. Yes? He, she, it doesn't eat pizza. We don't eat pizza. Yes? They don't eat pizza. We always need the auxiliary verb in the negative sentences, okay? We always need them. We need to use them. Don't or doesn't. Don't for the subjects I, you, we, and they. Doesn't for the subjects he, she, and it. Yes? Now, when we want to make questions in the present simple, yes, we need to start with the auxiliary verb. Yes? In this case, for the questions, we have do and does. The same rule. Do for the subjects I, you, we, they. Yes? Does for the subjects he, she, and it. Yes? Do I eat pizza? And how can I answer to these questions? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do you eat pizza? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes? Does he or she or it eat pizza? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Or yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Or yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Yes? Only the subjects he, she, and it. In the singular, they use does. Yes? The other pronouns, they use do. Do we eat pizza? Yes, we do. No, we don't. Do they eat pizza? Yes, they do. Or no, they don't. Okay? What is important to remember here? Yes, that the verb in the negative form, we don't need to add the s at the end of the verb, to the verb. Yes, if you see here, it says he, she, it doesn't eat pizza without the s. Yes, that means that only in the positive sentences we add the s at the end of the sentence. To the verb. Yes, we add the s to the verb. Only in the positive sentences. Yes, in the negative and in the questions, we don't need to add the s at the end of the verb. Yes. Now, let's see the rules for this third person. Yes, because sometimes we need to add only the s, as we can see here, it's. Yes, we only add the s to this verb, but there are some verbs that they need more than an s. Yes, for example, here we have the rules. Yes, for the verbs that end in O, CH, SH, SS, yes, X, or Z, we add ES in the third person. Okay, in the third person means he, she, or it. Go changes to goes. Yes, catch, catches, wash, washes, kiss, kisses, fix, fixes, buzz, buzzes. Okay, it ends with the z. Yes. Now, so we need to add es, not only the s, but es. Yes, and also we have another rule here. For the verbs that end in a consonant plus y, we remove the Y and add IES like here. Yes, marry, marries, study, studies, carry, carries, worry, worries. Yes, we remove. We have the consonant and the Y. So we remove the Y and add IES. Marries. Yes, study, studies, carry, carries, worry, worries. Yes, so these are the rules when we are adding the S to the third person. Yes, that means he, she, and it in the present simple. Okay, all of these rules are for the present simple. Now, what is important for us to remember, to keep in mind? Yes, that we can never mix the verb to be with other verbs in the present simple. Yes, we cannot say I am, eat, pizza. Yes, let's remember that the verb to be works on its own. Yes, trabaja solito el verbo to be. Y no podemos mezclar verbo to be y otro verbo en el presente simple, ¿sí? O es el verbo to be o es otro verbo. Eat, live, drive, have, like. Pero no pueden estar ambos en una misma oración, ya sea oración positiva, negativa o pregunta. Nunca se mezclan estos dos. Yes, me refiero a la misma oración. Okay, we cannot say I am eat pizza. We need to say only I eat pizza. Yes. What kind of information can I use with I am? I am a teacher. I am a student. Yes. I am Bolivian. But we cannot mix them. Yes, never. We cannot say I am, eat, and pizza. Yes, only one of the two verbs, not the two verbs in the same sentence in the present simple. Yes, in the present simple. Okay? Now, let's move to this. We are going to practice a little bit. Yes, there. Think of the answers, yes, just for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to show you the correct answer. Yes, you have to move them, yes, in the correct place. In this case, we have a question. Yes, we have a question mark, so we need to make a question. Yes, think of the answer in your minds. Yes. Okay, so first we have to start with the auxiliary verb, do. Then we have the subject, yes? And finally, we have the verb and the rest of the sentence, yes? Do you eat hamburgers? Okay, excellent. Now, think of this example also there in your mind. Yes? This is not a question, this is not a negative form, yes, this is a positive statement, yes? Okay, so in positive statements, we start with the subject, I, then we have the verb, run, and the rest of the sentence. I ran in the park, yes? Now, let's go to the last one. Yes, this is the last example. We have a negative sentence here. Yes? Okay, as we said before, we need to start with the subject. Yes, he. This is our subject here. He doesn't eat. Yes, remember, we need to use doesn't in the negative form, because we are using he in the third person, yes? He doesn't eat chocolate. Yes, that would be the correct order of this sentence, yes? He doesn't eat chocolate. Okay. Let's go now here to the second part. Yes, we have two linkers here, and because. Yes, we've already seen and in the last video, okay? If you want to remember this, to refresh your ideas, you can go to the last video, yes, and check. So when do we use and? To join similar ideas in a sentence, yes? To join similar ideas, for adding more information, yes? For adding extra information in a sentence, yes? For example, he is a plumber and she is a teacher. Yes, we adding a similar idea here. This is an extra information, yes? And then we have because, yes? This word answers to the question why, por qué. Yes, and we use it, yes, we use because to give reasons. Yes, to state reasons. For example, I go to the gym because I want to lose weight. Yes, voy al gym, al gimnasio, yes, because I want to lose weight. Porque quiero perder peso, ¿sí? Bajar de peso. That would be, I am giving my reason, yes. Estoy dando mi razón, el por qué voy. Entonces, why es en pregunta, yes. A esta palabrita why la utilizamos para redactar la pregunta. Because responde a esa pregunta. ¿Sí? El why es el por qué en la pregunta y el because es por qué dando la razón. Yes, that is the difference between these two words. Okay? Now, for the vocabulary part, here we have the days of the week. Yes, we have from Monday to Sunday. Yes, we have 7 days in the week. Yes, and we have 5 weekdays. Yes, from Monday to Friday. These are called weekdays. Yes, we have 5 days. And Saturday and Sunday, yes, these 2 days, they are called weekend. Okay, they are in the weekend. We have 2 days. 5 plus 2, the 7 days of the whole week. Yes? So, we have Monday, yes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and finally Sunday. Yes? Let's do it again, yes? From here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes? For Thursday, okay, I'm gonna give you a clue. For Thursday, necesitamos para la pronunciación de esta TH que tenemos aquí, yes, the, para que suene así, tenemos que poner nuestra lengua debajo de nuestros dientes, yes. Ustedes inténtenlo ahí, ¿sí? Desde donde me miran. Thursday, ponen su lengua debajo de sus dientes, ¿sí? Los dientes de arriba. Thursday, y ahí practican el sonido, yes. Thursday. That is the only one that maybe it is a little bit difficult to pronounce. Yes? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes? These are the days of the week. Yes? So, for the weekdays, we have from Monday to Friday, and for the weekend, we have from Saturday to Sunday. Yes? Okay. Let's move to the next topic here. Yes? time phrases. These are the common ones. These time phrases, yes? Very common in English. In, on, at. These are prepositions of time. Yes, that is the name. Prepositions of time. And when do we use them? Yes, because we have a specific word, a specific time when we can use them. For example, let's start here with in. This is more general. Yes, more general. So, for in, yes, we can work with this word int to talk about the months and seasons. In April, in winter, yes, to talk about the years. In 2020, in 1999, yes, for centuries and decades, in the 90s, yes, part of the day, sorry, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, yes, for the part of the day. This is more general. On is a little bit more specific, yes? We use on with the days of the week. On Friday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, yes? With the days of the week, we use on. Then we can also use for a specific dates. On June the 30th. What is the difference between this phrase and here? Here we just have in April, but we don't have the exact date. Here we have the exact date, the 30th. So when we have the exact date, like in these two examples, we use on June the 30th, yes? On September 4th, the specific date. We have the date here and the month, yes? So for specific dates, we use on. And also for holidays that contain the word day. Yes, holidays that contain the word day. For example, Valentine's Day, on Valentine's Day, on Women's Day. Yes, this apostrophe S, remember this is the possessive apostrophe S. On Women's Day, on Saint Valentine's Day. Yes, so for these phrases we can use on. And now at, this is very specific. Yes, we use at with the time. Yes, when we are telling the time, clock times. At 5:30, at 11 o'clock. Yes, other times, at lunchtime, at dinner, at bedtime. Yes, very specific. Also, holidays without the word day. Yes, here we don't have the word day. At Christmas, yes, at Easter. And also we use it to say at the weekend, at night, and at the moment. Yes, at the weekend, at night, at the moment. Yes, very specific. So here you have all the phrases, yes, time phrases, and when can you use them? Yes, when do you have to use them? In, on, and at. In is more general, yes. On is a little less general, and at, it is very specific. Yes? Let's go now here to the last topic for today. Yes? Telling the time. Yes? We are going to learn finally, we're going to learn how to tell the time in English. Yes? So I'm going to show you here in the picture. As you can see, this is a clock. Yes? The name of this is a clock. So here we have a clock. Look at the clock here. Yes? Let's go here. They are hands of the clock. Who are the hands of the clock? These ones. Yes? Look at here. We have only the clock. Now we have a clock with its hands. Yes? Hands. These are called hands. Yes? Now, let's continue. What happened to the clock? Yes? We use two phrases to tell the time in English. Yes? We use two phrases. We use past and to. When do we use past? Yes? Past means that to talk about times from the full hour to half past, from the full hour to half past here in the middle, this is the half past, or the 30 minutes past. Yes, that means that, for example, 10 minutes past 6, that means 10 minutes has passed from the hour. Yes, esas son las horas que ya pasaron, los minutos que ya pasaron en la hora. Así es como se lo relata in English. Yes, don't worry, we are gonna see some examples. Ahora, esto es in the middle. Now, for this part of the clock, yes, we use to. Yes, we say to talk about the times from the minute 31, yes, until the full hour. These are the minutes that are left to get to the next hour. Son los minutos que faltan para la siguiente hora. Yes, that is the difference. From 12 to 6 here we have los minutos que pasaron. Yes, in English. From 31 to the full hour, en esta otra parte del clock, son los minutos que faltan para la siguiente hora. To the next hour. Yes, let's see. Here we have, How can we say? Remember that in English, when we read the clock, we count the minutes 5 by 5, So, in the number 1, we have 5 minutes, yes? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, quarter, a quarter, we say a quarter in English, yes? This is a key phrase. We use a quarter when it is 15 minutes. Instead of saying 15, we say quarter, yes? Then we have 20, 25, and in the middle here we have half. Yes, half past. Until here we use the word past. Yes, 5 past, 10 past, a quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, and half past. Yes. On the other side of the clock, we have to. Now we need to use the word to. 25 to the next hour. Yes, 20 to the next hour. A quarter to, 10 to, and 5 to. Yes. First, we have the minutes. Yes. If you realized here, we are telling the minutes. In English, yes, to say the time, we first say the minutes and then the hour. Yes, we start with the minutes and then the hour. And we have o'clock. Yes, in this case, we have The shorter one, yes, refers to the hour. The longest one refers to the minutes. Yes, in this case, it's 2 o'clock. Okay, this is 2 o'clock. En punto, that means, yes, 2 o'clock here. Now, let's practice, yes? We have from here the shorter one, yes, it reflects the hour, remember. And the longest one shows us the minutes, yes? In this case, we have 1 o'clock, yes? Let's move to the second one. We have 5 minutes. From the hour, yes, from the o'clock, we have 5 past 1, yes? It's 5 past 1. If someone asks you, what time is it? Yes, we say it's. This is the whole phrase, yes? It's 5 past 1 in this clock. In this clock, it's 5 past 1. Yes, let's continue. Now, it's 10. Yes, now 10 minutes have passed. So, it's 10 minutes past 1. 10 minutos pasado las 1. En español nosotros decimos 1:10. Empezamos con la hora y luego decimos los minutos. En inglés iniciamos con los minutos y luego decimos la hora. Yes? 10 minutos pasado la 1. Esa sería la traducción literal. ¿Sí? It's 10 past 1. Let's continue. Now, a quarter of the time. A quarter of the full time. Yes? It's quarter past 1. It's 20 past 1. 20 minutes. Yes? Pasada las 1, 20 minutes. It's 25 past 1. Yes? We are still in the number 1. Yes? It's 25 past 1. And finally, it's half past 1. Yes? 1:30. It's half past 1. Yes? Now, what happened? It will change now. Yes? Because until here, we need to use the phrase past. From here until the full hour, now we need to use the word to. To get to the next hour. Yes? It's 25 to 2. Yes? 25 minutos para las 2. Para la siguiente hora. Yes? It's 20 to 2. 20 minutes to get to the next hour. That is 2. Yes? It's quarter to 2. A quarter of the time to get to the next hour. 2. It's quarter to 2. Yes. En español lo diríamos, faltan 15 minutos para las 2. ¿Sí? Esta es la expresión. ¿Cuánto falta para llegar a la siguiente hora? Yes. It's 10 to 2. Look, 10 minutes to get to the next hour. Yes, 10 to 2. It's 5 to 2. 5 minutes to get to the next hour. Yes, and finally, it's 2 o'clock. We already complete the full time. Yes, it's 2 o'clock now. Yes, and that is the way in which we can tell the time. Yes,